Hello and welcome to our Shopify tutorial video. Today, in this video, I walk you through the simple steps to add multiple currencies to your Shopify store. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, open your online store from the Shopify dashboard. For this tutorial, I've chosen the Bob Fashion theme from the Design Themes portfolio in ThemeForest. This theme is perfect for online stores looking to showcase their latest collections in a visually appealing and user-friendly way. You can check out the theme demo link provided in the description below. If you like it, you can purchase it from ThemeForest. Now let's get started by enabling the currency selector. To do this, go to the Customize option. Just click on the header option on the left-hand side and scroll down on the right-hand side until you see the currency selector option. And enable it. Note, this option will not be available in some themes. However, by default, only the primary country's currency is available. To add more countries, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on the settings option from the bottom left corner and then select a markets. By default, primary market is based on store currency. If you want to change, you need to change store currency from the store details option. To add more markets, click on Add Market and select the countries you want to add. I'm just selecting some of the popular countries. You can name this market as per your need. Once done, go to the shop page to see the live changes in pricing as you change countries. It's that easy, and that's it. You've successfully enabled multiple currencies on your Shopify store. Congratulations! If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching and happy selling!